Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix low audio input capture in OBS Studio. If you've been struggling with quiet audio levels during your streams or recordings, this quick fix will help you boost that input significantly. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main interface, direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This is typically located at the bottom portion of your screen and displays all your active audio sources with their respective volume meters. Now within the audio mixer, you'll notice a small gear icon positioned below your audio sources. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This action will open up the Advanced Audio Properties window, which gives you access to more detailed controls that aren't available in the basic interface. This is where you'll be able to make the necessary adjustments to boost your audio input levels. Once the Advanced Audio Properties window appears, look toward the upper left corner of this new window. You'll see several checkboxes next to different options. Locate the checkbox beside Volume and make sure to check it. Enabling this option is essential as it allows you to manually adjust the audio levels for individual sources, giving you much more precise control over your audio mixing. Next, navigate down to your audio input capture source within this window. You'll see your audio input capture listed among other sources. Right beside it, there's a small up icon. Click on this icon to begin adjusting your audio levels. Each time you click, you'll incrementally increase the input volume, which is exactly what you need to fix that low audio issue. Keep clicking the up icon and monitor your audio levels in real time through the volume meter. You'll notice the levels rising as you make these adjustments. Continue increasing the volume until you reach a level that sounds clear and balanced for your recordings or streams. You want your audio to be loud enough to be heard clearly without distorting or peaking into the red zone on your meters. And that's it. You've successfully boosted your audio input capture levels in OBS Studio, solving the low volume issue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.